Hi to all. Today we are going to make Paneer Manchurian in Hamare style. This is a quick and very simple recipe which gets ready in 5 to 6 minutes of time. For that we have taken paneer, red chilies, onion and 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. So let's start the process of making Paneer Manchurian. Take a pan, add some oil. Once the oil heated, add crushed garlics and onions. Mix it well. Then add crushed red chilies. Mix it nicely. Let it fry for 1 or 2 minutes. Now add 2 spoons of soya sauce, tomato sauce 2 spoons and Szechuan sauce 2 spoons. Add salt. Add little bit of water. Mix it nicely. Let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add salt as per taste. Mix it well. Now add 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Now add paneer. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Our gravy became thick now. You can see our Paneer Manchurian is ready. Take it out. Serve hot. Do try our recipe and tell us your feedback. Thank you.